Good evening, idiots. When I was about 10, I I think this is what happened. I stumbled across YouTube videos of like people speed cubing, as in like solving Rubik's Cubes really fast. And I got very interested, so I looked up tutorials on like how to solve it, how to solve a Rubik's Cube. And I spent an entire Saturday trying to solve this cube, this one that I'm holding right here. This is the first one I ever solved. I followed a series of video tutorials by a YouTuber named Pogobat, whose name I think is Dan Brown. If the series still exists, I will link it in the description and in the pinned comment. If I pin my own comment, I might not. I don't know. I don't care. Um, but anyways, this is the cube, and I started to get a little more serious about actually getting fast and improving. So I got a different cube, this one right here, which is like 10 years old, and so yeah, I thought it'd be fun to try and do like five solves to see how fast I am now. I don't remember any of the more advanced methods that I learned, like F2L, OLL, PLL. All I remember is the beginner method that I learned that one day when I was like 10 years old. All right, so let's do it. Oops. Okay, that wasn't the best, but we're getting back into it. At least it's still under a minute. Let's keep going. Okay, that's all felt pretty good. Let's keep going. That was okay. Um, so that was three solves. Let's do two more. Oh my god. I twisted a piece. I don't even remember if I twisted it back or not. I'm just gonna reset the cube really quick. Be right back. Okay, so I fixed the cube. Let me try and not do that again. We're not gonna count that, obviously. So let's keep going. Got caught in a few hiccups there, but you know, oh well. Let's keep going. All right, great. Um, so wait a sec. Okay, so the mean obviously is wrong because it's counting that solve that never happened. Um, let me whip out the whip out the calculator really quickly. Okay, so I think I think instead of calculating it manually, um, I just made it so that the 27 was did not finish. Um, so it looks like okay, I don't know if this is like what these numbers mean, but I'm guessing this is average of 5. Yep, okay, it is. 50.82. So that's, it's under a minute still. It's like a holy grail, I guess, for beginner speed cubers is uh, being consistently under a minute. Yeah, I mean that's pretty much it. Um, See ya.